Want to subscribe to Tinder Gold, Plus or Platinum? Here's how to add a debit card on your Tinder. First, open the Tinder app and tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Now, here at the top right corner, you can see Settings icon. Tap on it to go to Settings. Scroll down until you see Manage Payment Method. Once you find it, tap on it. Then tap Add a credit or debit card. Here, enter your card number, expiration date or CVV. Enter the details that Tinder is asking for. Tap Submit and Tinder will add a debit card to your account. If your card is declined, check your bank settings or try using a different card. And that's it. Your Tinder payment method is now set up. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.